Hey, future millionaire. Ever lie awake wondering, will the money I save today actually last? Will it grow strong enough to give my family real security? Real freedom? The truth? Nobody has a magic crystal ball. Fortunes have vanished fast.
But
There are rock-solid treasures, tested by war, recession, even the fall of empires. They've held value not for years, but centuries. These aren't just investments. They're your 5 keys to unshakable freedom. Forget complicated words. Today, we talk straight. We're building a fortress for your wealth that lasts generations. Ready to claim your keys? Let's go. Key 1 is as old as dirt, literally.
land.
Think. They're not making more.
It's the only truly limited thing.
Why unbreakable? No factory pumps out new land. More people equals more need. Always. Even if money crashes, land still has value.
People need space.
The freedom twist? Land is power. Your roots. A place to grow food, build dreams, or breathe free. You control it. Real magic? Buy land near a town for $10,000 30 years ago. Today, $200,000.
Why?
The town grew toward it. You did nothing. The world worked for you. Start simple. A small plot near water or roads. Hold it. Let time make it golden. Land is patient money. Patient money builds empires. Key 2 builds on your land. Real estate. Houses. Apartments.
Why?
Every person needs a roof. Always. Why unbreakable? Stocks crash to zero. Companies vanish. But a good home? Never worthless. After every storm, homes rise again. The freedom twist? Double power. 1. Value grows over time. 2. It pays you now rent. While you wait. Money flowing while you sleep. Plus, you make it worth more, paint it, fix it. Real magic? Grandma's house. $20,000 in 1970. Today, $300,000. And it sheltered your family for decades. Start simple. Look for solid homes in growing towns. A duplex? Rent helps pay the loan. Real estate is your anchor and your engine. Key 3 surprises you. Art and timeless treasures. Not just pretty pictures. Truly rare, special things. Why unbreakable? Value isn't just money. It's history, skill, beauty, rarity. A famous artist's masterpiece? Only one exists. Can't be copied. While paper money fades, rare beauty grows more precious. The freedom twist? This wealth connects you to human genius. You can see and feel it. It lives outside the noisy stock market. Real magic? A $1,000 painting bought 50 years ago? Worth millions today.
Why?
The artist became legendary. Start simple. Explore local artists or vintage finds with great stories. True beauty lasts. Lasting beauty becomes lasting wealth. Key 4? Own a piece of a giant's. Huge companies that make the world run. Your phone, your internet, the food you eat, the money you use. Why unbreakable? Will people stop eating? Using medicine? Needing energy?
No.
Big companies survive storms. They're part of daily life. The freedom twist? When you buy their stock, you own a tiny piece of this machine. As they profit over decades, your piece grows. You're hitching your wagon to engines that power the planet. Real magic? $1,000 in Apple or Amazon 20 years ago. Worth $100,000 plus today. You own the future, and it arrived. Start simple. Focus on big names and essentials. Food, medicine, banking, tech. Buy a little regularly. Hold tight. Own the engines. Let them pull your wealth forward. Our final key is the oldest money, gold and silver. For thousands of years, across all civilizations, they meant real wealth. Why unbreakable? You can't print gold like paper. There's only so much in earth. When money loses value, inflation, banks wobble, or the world feels scary, people run to gold and silver. They're the ultimate safety net. The freedom twist? This is wealth protection. Peace of mind. No matter what happens to banks, you have something real everyone knows. Your financial armor. Real magic? 50 years ago, gold bought a nice suit.
Today?
Still buys a nice suit. It holds power while paper money fades. Start simple. One gold coin or silver bar. Your family's financial insurance. Gold and silver don't make you rich fast, but they keep your wealth safe for centuries. So there they are. Your 5 keys to freedom. Land, your piece of the planet. Real estate, your shelter and engine. Art and treasures, beauty that banks. Giant stocks, owning the machines of life. Gold and silver, the ancient safety net. The big twist? This isn't just wealth. It's unshakable freedom. Security for your family. Freedom from fear. Freedom to choose your life. Start small. Start smart. Save for land. Learn local real estate. Appreciate true art. Buy a little gold. Time is your superhero. The sooner you start, the stronger your fortress grows. Imagine 30 years from now. You took action today. You planted seeds. Your family lives with security, opportunity, and real freedom. That's unshakable wealth. You can build this. It starts now. What's your first key? Share below. Like this? Subscribe. We make wealth simple here. Dream big. Act smart. Build your freedom. See you next time.